In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files to courses on Systeme.io. We'll walk through the full process of adding downloadable files to a course lesson, and I'll show you two simple ways to do it inside the lesson editor. One method uses clickable text, and the other uses a button, so you can choose the style that fits your course best. Start by going to your Systeme.io dashboard. From there, click on Assets, then choose Courses. This will open your list of available courses. Next, click on the course you want to work on. Once you're inside the course, select the module where you want the file to appear, and then open the lesson editor for the specific lesson you want to update. Inside the lesson editor, begin by adding an element. Choose the text element and drag it into the lesson. Then type the text you want your students to click. A clear example would be something like, "Click to download the files." Keep the wording simple so students immediately understand what the link is for. After that, highlight the exact text you want to make clickable. In the top toolbar, click the link icon. In the link options, click the Upload button, then select the option to upload your file. Once the file has been added, click Insert and then click Confirm. This connects the uploaded file to the text link. After that, click Back to return to the editor. If you'd prefer a more visible download option, there's another method using a button. Click on Elements again, then drag and drop a button element into the lesson. Once the button is on the page, click the button itself to open its settings on the left side. In the button settings, change the action to Download File. Then click the Cloud Upload icon to attach the file. After selecting the file, click Insert. Now the button is connected to that download. The next step is to change the button text so it clearly tells students what it does. For example, you might use wording like Download Workbook or Download Course Files. When everything looks right, click Save to make sure your changes are applied to the lesson. A quick tip here, use descriptive text for both links and buttons so students know exactly what they're downloading before they click. That helps make your lesson feel more organized and professional. And that's it. You now know how to add files to courses on Systeme.io using either a text link or a download button.